previous video we have seen that how to embed YouTube videos in our web page. So in this video we will see how to link video in our web page which is present on our local machine. So to do that, I have created new file internal video.html. I will just write some code just to get started. So we will use a video tag for this. Just close that and type here src, source attribute. So we don't have really video here, so we will just copy it in our folder. So I want to include this portfolio view. I will copy it here, paste, portfolio view.mp4. So here is, you can see that our video is visible. So if I type okay, it is fetching that. So if I save this and I will refresh this, that you can see that this video is embedded in our web page, but it has full screen view. We can actually control this using the width and height tag. So we want a width of say 500. So if I refresh this again, so this video will have width of 500, and we want height to be 500 again. So if I refresh this again, this will take the height of 500 and width of 500. So this is how you add video files from local machines into your web page.